In health headlines, February is National Cancer Prevention Month, and there's a place here in town that can help us stay in the know when it comes to our health.
We're taking a look at how Southwest Medical is here to help you.
Cancer just refers to a proliferation of cells, that is a collection of cells that grow abnormally because of a variety of different reasons. This can happen in almost any tissue within the body, and the key thing about this is that the growth is uncontrolled and can shorten one's life and interfere with bodily functions. Cancer screening basically means looking for cancer at its earliest and most easily treated stage. Many cancers, once they spread throughout the body, are no longer curable. For instance, in screening for lung cancer, if we have a chest x-ray or a CAT scan that shows a small nodule, that's a lot easier to treat, surgically of course, than it would be to treat cancer that's already spread to other organs in the body. The same thing is true of breast cancer, much easier to treat when it's small and confined to the breast or adjacent lymph nodes. Cervical cancer, same thing, much easier to treat when it's confined to the cervix itself. And then colon cancer is exactly the same thing. Colon cancer begins in a polyp within the digestive tract, and if you can remove that polyp, which can be done during a colonoscopy, then in fact you have removed the earliest stage of the malignancy. Here's some ways you can prevent cancer. Avoid alcohol in excessive amounts and any tobacco products. Exercise, in moderation, of course. Physical activity is always going to be very, very good, and it doesn't have to be getting out there and running a marathon. Eating healthy, so watching your intake of certain high caloric or processed foods, sticking with the fresh vegetables, and having a variety of food. Staying out of the sun is another thing. The more bad sunburns you get as a youth, the more you can be at risk for some very serious forms of skin cancer. What we advocate is using some good sunscreen, wearing a hat. Get your screening done as recommended by your primary care physician.
And our thanks to Southwest Medical Associates for being one of our Community Pride partners.